Today, I'll start with fundamentals of Angular CLI. To kick things off, we shall start with one of the most basic and frequently used commands, which will drastically speed up the development time. The main goal of command line interface is to automate things that you would do otherwise manually. The reason I chose this as initial topic because you really need to know how to use CLI before you could use Angular effectively. Now let's get started. In the previous video, we have installed Angular CLI with following command. So we could directly jump into the action now. The first and most basic command is ng-build. This command builds and bundles your application for deployment. At its basic functionality, it takes all your TypeScript and style files and converts them to JavaScript and CSS, which can be understood by the browser. So here I navigated to the application folder that we created in the last video and did ng-build. But let's use some IDE for our convenience to do same. I'm using Visual Code. You can use any other IDE that you like. Open the folder of the application and then go to View and click Terminal. This opens an inbuilt terminal, so that you don't have to switch to command prompt every time. So now let's build. As you can see, the build is successful and it has created the output files in the folder called dist. We shall further discuss about this in the upcoming videos when needed. The next command is ng-serve. This spins up local server and runs our application in the browser. ng-generate. This command is one of the most helpful ones because it generates the skeleton code for us, which saves a lot of time during development. For example, let's try to generate some component. ng-generate component and component name. And once it's done, as you can see, it has created 4 files and updated 1. All of which we would have done manually if not for this command. You can go under Scripts, App, and you can see generated files. It has generated a CSS file, HTML file, TypeScript, and a test file for us. Don't worry about this project structure. In the upcoming videos, we shall learn about it. Thanks for watching.